Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Irfan and today I've got an exciting and tricky question for you guys. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and read the questions together. We have this integer n, which is positive, and we're asked to find how many integers are there between the square root of n squared plus n plus 1 and square root of 9n squared plus n plus 1. Now, I gotta be honest with you, at first glance, this question looks quite challenging, but what I came up with is that I assume for the large value of n, so if I take n to be large, I can actually equate this expression to be square root of n squared and basically ignore n and the plus 1. And the square root of that is actually n. Also, I can do the same thing for the 9n squared plus n plus 1. So I just ignore the n plus 1 section for both of them. And I get the final answer to be 3n. And of course, the number of integers between 3n and n is 2n. However, this is for large values of n. So I kind of doubted my answer, especially that I have 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 1 among my answer choices. So I had no choice but to go back and plug in some values and see whether my hypothesis here works or not. So when you make the substitution for n to be 1, you get the square root of 3, which is 1 point something, and you get square root of 11, which is 3 point something, and the number of integers between these two are 2, and those integers are exactly 2 and 3. Therefore, when n is 1, this formula works. I get 2 times 1, which is 2. Also, when n is 2, I get square root of 7 for the first, square root of 7 for the first expression, which is 2 point something, and I get square root of 39 for the second one, which is 6 point something, and the integers between those two numbers are 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is 4 of them. Therefore, 2 times 2 is 4. The formula still holds when n is 2, and when n is 3, as you can see, I get the square root of 13 and the square root of 85, and those numbers are 3 point something and 9 point something respectively, and the number of integers between them are exactly 6. These are the integers, I listed them out. So, and the formula also holds for this one. Therefore, I can conclude that the answer I got here is correct, and the answer choice C would be the correct one. Please leave in the comment if you got the same answer or any other method that you use to get to the same answer. I'll be more than happy to see your solution. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow with another Math Olympiad question.